When you bought a new car as a first-timer driver after getting a license,
Great video. She did everything the right way. Plug in the L to show that she's a learner. She went to the car, she removed her heels so that she can be comfortable. She adjusted her seat, the seat belt. Then she did the breathe in, breathe out technique so that she will relax. She won't panic. She fixed her mirrors, review mirror and also mirrors. She's good to go. She's driving. Everything is done properly. Everything is done the way it's supposed to be done until she gets to the step hill. I decided not to use the sound simply because of its music and everything, and I don't want the copyright. That's why I'm only showing the video. So when she gets to the hill, that's why she started panicking, simply because of the car is rolling backwards. This video is very, very educational. While she's trying to get herself together, there comes another guy who parked exactly next to her, increasing the level of pressure because of now she can't try to go forward again, simply because of if it rolls backwards, it's going to damage the vehicle behind. The guy did that on purpose. The guy was supposed to pass or give her space simply because of she's struggling, but he did that on purpose. You are going to come across guys who will do that on purpose so that they will increase the level of anxiety, the level of pressure to you, so that you will make that mistake and end up getting out of the vehicle. You see how he arrived and he opened the door immediately. It's simply because of he knew exactly what he was doing and he is used to doing that type of a thing. Now the biggest mistake that she made is that she didn't lock her doors and she came out of a vehicle, allowing a stranger to drive her car. That's dangerous. You don't know that guy, you're just assuming that he's a good driver because of he just parked behind you. I mean, let me share a story with you. This thing happened in Alex. A young lady working in these sides of Sandton. She's doing well. She's going somewhere. And she ended up taking a wrong turn. She found herself in Alex. You know the Alex traffic, how things are, those, Avanzas which are ranking in there. She started panicking a lot because of she's not familiar with the territory and she's realizing that I'm lost and I cannot even turn back because the streets are so small. She doesn't know what to do now. There is vehicles behind her. She got to a hill which was not even big, but she couldn't even operate that small vehicle. She couldn't go forward. It was switching off. There were guys who were on the sides. You know, Alex is Alex. There is always the population. People are always there. So guys are watching her from the side of the road. Oh, my sister is struggling. Yes, my brother, I am struggling. I don't know what to do. Because these guys, they are hooting. They're doing all these crazy things that they were not even supposed to do. She felt pressured and she trusted the guy so that the guy can help her to move the car from there to a place where it's level, whereby she can drive, and hopefully maybe the guy will give her the direction so that she will know exactly what to turn, where to turn, so that she can get back to where she was going. After the hill, the guy didn't stop, kept driving with the vehicle. She was left stranded, standing there. When she's talking to other people who were on the side of the road, they said they don't know the guy. The guy is gone. Then that's when they will start asking her questions, and they heard that, she just took a wrong turn and she was stuck simply because of now there was a traffic behind her. She didn't know what to do. She was panicking, plus she was afraid of Alex. These girls who grow up in good neighborhoods in the suburbs whereby everything is just there. They go to Ivy League school. They've been hearing stories about Kasi or Alex or Tembisa. Then the day they get themselves in the middle of a street that they have no control of, that noise and everything, it makes them, lose their cool. They get anxiety, they get, under a lot of pressure. And that's how she felt. Unfortunately, she lost her car in that manner. I don't know if they found the car or not. I'm just saying, if you are a lady, don't make that mistake. Always lock your car doors. Even if the person is screaming, tell the person, pass to this other side. What do you want me to do? I'm struggling here. I'm going to get it right. Because the person stopped right behind you on purpose. Till this day, as a person who's always driving, I remember when I was at Norwood, I saw this other gentleman. I wanted to ask him about Spa at Norwood. Where can I get Spa in Norwood, this and that. So the guy is giving me direction. There comes another vehicle. He stopped exactly behind me, the same way the gentleman stopped. And I have the hazard. I told the guy, hey, my guy, pass. What's the problem? What's the matter with you? You want to stop behind me and stop hooting? What do you want me to do? So that I can drive and stop talking to this guy? No, pass, my guy. I'm getting directions from this gentleman. You see the way he's looking at me. I say, hey, Papa, pass. Mind your own business. We're talking about what we're talking. Yes, I know I stopped, but it's fine. I'm asking for directions. What do you want me to do? If taxi drivers are stopping in that manner, you don't even go and start shouting at them. And the guy had to go. Because of, you shouldn't let anybody bully you. Then if it's a ticket to offend, the officers will show up and they will give you a ticket. That's fine. You will apologize where you apologize. Rather than now, the person who's giving you help, you pass by simply because of somebody's hooting behind you. You end up finding yourself to the other streets. When you're asking, they're like, oh, you left that place there. You're like, oh my God. So this video is very, very educational, very informative. So when you come across this situation whereby you are at the hill and you're struggling, pull the damn handbrake, man. Hold that thing with the handbrake. Lock the door and think. If you can't, get out and get some fresh air and lock your doors and walk around. Tell people, pass. Don't be afraid. Tell them, I'm struggling. I'm putting my things together right here. I'm trying to remember everything. The right person will give you instructions. No, do this, do this, do this. And you jump into, never allow a stranger to drive your car without knowing who are they, where they're from. You'll be shocked at the car that is leaving behind if this guy took the car and never stopped. The car is leaving behind, maybe it's a stolen car. You'll never know. So I appreciate you guys, your love and support. I wanted to make that video so that I can share more with you guys. Thank you.